this channel. This is MB Malay's Beauty, and if you guys haven't already, like this video, subscribe, and continue to watch this video. I'm gonna come with you guys with another video reviewing a Hush products, and this is an unboxing. I'm not doing the reviews yet because I just got the box today. I literally received this from my apartment stating that I got package, and I went to go get the package, and I was like, I have to do an unboxing like immediately. Soon I'm going to review these products one by one. It's not just a Hush unboxing. I got a couple of items from not AliExpress. Pause. I got a couple of items from Amazon because Hush didn't have my colors, like as far as foundation and concealers. So I went to Amazon to get the same products. They're around the same price, so it was fine. And I decided I was going to do this whole unboxing at one time. So I got a couple of eyeshadow palettes. I've got concealers, foundation. I got one highlighter palette, and that was about it for right now. I ordered a couple of stuff off of Amazon, so I'm going to review those products later. And once they come, I'm going to do a whole video on that. But for right now, these are all the products that I received. I'm going to do a couple of swatches for you guys, just so you guys can see the colors. As you can see, I have a little bit on my fingers right now, but without further ado, we're gonna get into the video. So I hope you guys continue to watch, and please wait to the end of the video because there might be a giveaway.
That we're meant to be, but jealousy get the best of me. Look, I don't mean to frustrate, but I always make the same mistakes. Yeah, always make the same mistakes. Cause
y'all, so I just got this new box. It's from Hush, and I'm about to open it right now. Also, I got the knife right here. I'm about to open this right now. All right, y'all, so we opening this box right now. All right. So the first thing you see is this nice bubble wrap. Everything's bubble wrap nice. I got this eyeshadow primer, a few makeup palettes, and some foundation. All right, so I got the Aphrodite palette by Bad Habit. I got a highlighter palette, and I got another palette right here. Besides getting the stuff from Hush, I got some stuff off of Amazon because Hush didn't have my color. I got the Milani color Conceal+Perfect foundation, and also I got the NYX concealer and the Maybelline Fit Me concealer. So I got the Aphrodite Bad Habits palette, and alright, so this is my first impression of the palette. That comes with all the colors, same as the Athena palette that I received with the mirror. So I'm going to pick a couple of colors to swatch. So I decided to pick 3 matte shades and 3 shimmer shades to show you guys, inclusive in this palette. Next, I'm going to show you Inferno, another Bad Habits palette that I received. So I'm going to open it. And this is what it looks like when it's open. It has shimmer shades and matte shades. A good like nude palette. As you can see, I already put my hand and swatched some of them, but I'm going to swatch a couple of them so you can see the colors in this palette. As before, I decided to do 3 matte shades and 2 shimmer shades, and I will let you guys know the colors from the far left to the far right. I'm going to unbox the Oasis highlighter kit from Bad Habit. This is the front and the back of the box before you open it. And once you open it, it comes with 4 highlighters and a mirror. These how all of them swatch. This one is the cream highlighter, the rest are the powdered ones, and I'm just gonna be shiny, girls. Yes, I'm gonna be glistening like diamonds in the sky, shine bright like a diamond, shine bright like a diamond. Okay, so we have the Fit Me Matte Poreless foundation, which is said Shine did the dewy one, but I guess I got this. So we're gonna work from the looks of it. It looks like it's way lighter than my skin tone. Initially, I had like the color 360 mocha, but it was way too dark, so I got the 330. So I'm gonna see the color. Alright, so this is the color in the bottle. It does not look like the same color that looks like on the outside of the bottle. So we're gonna try to, we're gonna see. So these are all the new things that I got from the Hush app, and hopefully I'm gonna do videos on them soon. Y'all keep watching and stay tuned. Alright guys, so if you made it to the end of this video, I will be giving away this clean color bake highlighter, and this is something I got with a free item from the Wish app. From the Hush app. Sorry. Alright, I'm sorry about that. Backtrack, had to re-record because that was just crazy. Here's I swatched it a couple of times, but other than that, I have not used this. And so this will be a part of the giveaway. So, I hope you guys like this video and continue to watch and be a part of the MB Club. Alright, you guys, goodbye. I'm tired of talking, so see y'all later. Wow, that was a fail.
That we're meant to be, but jealousy, 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 jealousy get the best of me.